Hello everyone, it's Julie from Camelia Crafts Designs. Welcome back to my channel. I'm just here today with a flip through of this ring bound junk journal that I've been making. Yeah, if you've followed the series you'll know what it is. If not, I'll have it linked down below. So yeah, I'm just going to crack on with it. So it is a hardcover. I've made it from a file folder or 3. On the rings I've got this attached. I made this in a previous YouTube tutorial. It's a paperclip dangle with some lace and bling with a little charm on, and attached it with a bulb clip. This is the tassel that I made recently. That's a very quick simple tassel, and it's just attached with a smaller binder ring. Yeah, I've just let the papers from Nanine at Collage Type speak for themselves on the front. I loved this large rose image. I've tied it with some, it is organza and satin ribbon with a silver thread running through it. I just thought that looked lovely with the silver, yeah, book rings. So let's undo it and look inside. So here we go. Touch it up a little bit. So first page, the inside of the cover, I've put a couple of journal cards that I have again got separate tutorials for. These were made from packaging. Yeah, and I've just gessoed and collaged the front, used some stickers, some background pages from Nanine's kit. So you've got one there and another one there. And of course, because we've got flowers, we had to have butterflies. We so did. I've put a little bulb clip and a charm on there. I've used part of an earring and a little, yeah, charm that says inspire. I've not stuffed it full of other things. I've popped one of the tag in just for a bit of fluff, but I just thought they look lovely like that. Bit of eyelash trim and wax thread. That's one of the tags from the kit. I've just backed it with tea dyed paper. I've backed this really, stuck it down really well because I've not sewn around the edge on that one. So in here again, all the elements in this kit do have separate tutorials and you can find them all below. There is a playlist. So this is a large tag page, and inside are 2 of the collaged tags that I made. Yeah, there are some bits of kit paper in the background, tags, bit of doily, etc. That's some ephemera from the kit, little bit of hessian. Another tag very similar to the first. They've each got charms. That one's got a butterfly. Yeah, a little bit of tick in there. Right, then this is the first of 2 open out inserts. This first one is, I think this is the only bit I didn't actually show how to bind that, but I have got other tutorials on how to just bind. It's a very simple 3/0 pamphlet stitch. I've made this from 5 sheets of A4 paper, so there are 10 sheets altogether, which gives you 20 sides for journaling on. So you would say 20 pages. Bound it with wax linen thread. I'm not hanging off edge here, am I? No, I'm fine. Again, there's a journal card that I've made. Yeah, again, separate tutorial for that. Made this one out of packaging. That's tucked in there. So I'm not going to tie these back up as we go along. The back of this does have a tag in it, a pocket. Yeah, again, I really enjoyed making these. I love my collaging. And that one has got a flower charm. There are, I think there's 8 of these pages. There are 8 pages. They are kit pages, but they're very pale, so you can easily write over these, or you can add pictures, or you can do whatever you like with them. They are double-sided. I've sewn 2 pieces of paper together, so I've not bothered reinforcing there. I didn't think it needed it. Putting anything on spoilt the look. If I used the metal rings it would have made it far too bulky, but they've held up quite well while I'm making journal with no damage, so I think they'll be fine. So there are 8 of those all together. I think I've put 4. Oh, I've put them all in one place, have I? You can alter them, put them where you like. Yeah. Right, here I have got another envelope, and I'm just going to pull something out. These should have gone in before. There are a few pieces of ephemera from the kit that I have. I just thought one of those would look lovely popped in there. And we turn it over, and it is an envelope, just a few postage stamps. They're from Nanine's Ivory. Oh, I can't remember the name of it. It's another one of Nanine's kits. Nanine's shop link is in the description. You'll find it. And these are all little bits of ephemera from the kit. A few journal cards from elsewhere that I thought went lovely with it. So they're all meant to go in there. I took them out for some reason, I can't remember why, and didn't put them back in. So now they're all in. I've decided not to go with a closure on that envelope. It stays fastened fine. Yeah. So that's somewhere else. More of the kit pages. These are printed 2 to a page with, yeah, distressed edges. So if you use these in a regular journal, you'd just fold them up and bind them. I just did something a bit different with them, and they're all beautiful. I love that one. Now here we've got a couple of envelopes that I've made. This is the back of the envelope. I put a pocket on from the kit. Very minimally decorated this one. Little bit of pearl trim, a couple of tags, both from Nanine's kit. Now you open that up, and there we have 2 envelopes. So they're both exactly the same, but we've got a left hand and a right hand. I've put these lovely washi stickers on and a little bit of pearl trim. It looks as though it's a clasp, but it's not. These both fasten with Velcro dots. In this one we've got this journal card that I've made. I think that's from My Porch Prints, that thing. I just thought that just looked lovely on there. And in here I've just made a very large journal card. It's not really thick, it's just kit page cut down to frame that lovely picture with the 2 roses and the rosebuds. And I've printed a tea-dyed stain on the back and just distressed the edges a little bit. I've not distressed everything in this journal, and where I have distressed I've used tea dye, which is quite pale. Very unusual for me. I'm normally a little bit grungy with me inking. Right, turn over, and again we've got, you're in the wrong place. That one's meant to go there. Yeah, 2 tags again, a little bit of pearl trim. Then we've got this other insert, a little bit different to the last one. The last one's got lots of journaling space. This one has got some. Right, I'm going to have to hutch over a bit for this so it stays in shot. It opens out and opens out again. Oh, we don't need the backing off that sticker there. And we've got a little notebook. Yeah, just made from kit paper again. We've got 5. Is there 5 did I put in? 2, 3, 4, oh, 6. Yeah, there's 6 pieces of coffee dyed paper, so you've got 12 sides. And I've punched holes, tied it with some eyelash trim, so you can actually swap those papers out if you want to refill that pad. That just goes on that little belly band. This one, a little bit of collage in with a rose digital. Another one of these tags. This time it's got a rose charm on. We've got seam binding, bit of twine, and they're all attached with bulb clips. This one has one of the fold out journal cards that I made. It's just got a little pocket there. I've not got anything tucked in that pocket, have I? Oh, you can take something out of the envelope with all the ephemera, I'm sure. So that's that. Another one of the journal cards that I made from packaging. I've not put anything else on here to make it bulky so that it does flip up and fasten really nice. These bows are now tied on the front so they don't interfere with the closure of the journal. There we go. And that's the last one. Then we have the back. Move that ring around a little, that's it. On the back I made it slightly different. I've put a side pocket in, and in there we've got another one of these journal cards with the tab. We've then got this little envelope that Nanine's put in the kit with instructions on how to put it together. and a little journal card to match. That's so cute. Then we've got 2 pockets here, a tall one, and I've just made a really tall skinny bookmark style tag with some kit page, and another one of those lovely rose. Is it a rose? I don't know what flower that is. It's rose-ish. Yeah, I really don't know my plants. And then we've got another pocket here. I did intend to put that one in that pocket, you see. But then I've put so much in, I don't think it'll fit, will it? Oh, we've gone to town a little bit too much. But that's what I wanted there. Then we've got another one there. Do you know where I'm going to put that? I'm just going to pop that in because that'll tuck inside that journal card that didn't have anything in it. Perfect. So there we have it. Then we've got the back. It's not too chunky. I did swap the binder rings out. I'll show you. Initially, I used this size and I've just swapped to a slightly larger one. Yeah. Just so your pages are going to turn more easily. So there we have it. Thank you very much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you fancy making a ring bound journal, like I say, I've got a full playlist. And yeah, it was quite fun. So, thank you very much everyone. I'll see you next time. Bye.